If you've dreamed of owning a boat or moving up to a better boat, Honda is ready to make your dream come true. Introducing Honda Seabrook Series boats, built exclusively for Honda by Scout. These exciting new boats are easy to shop for, easy to own and operate. They're loaded with quality features, and they're powered by a Honda BF-150 outboard. Honda Seabrook Series boats deliver the quality, value, and legendary reliability that make Honda one of the most trusted brands on earth. The new Seabrook Series center console is great for casting lines or chasing sunsets, while the new Seabrook Series dual console is ideal for tow sports and family fun. All Seabrook Series boats are equipped with a powerful, reliable, fuel-efficient Honda BF-150 outboard for the ideal combination of boat and engine. A user-friendly helm featuring easy-to-understand, intuitive graphic displays. Honda's intelligent shift and throttle drive-by-wire system for effortless control. And hydraulic steering for smooth operation and confident driving with an automotive feel. Seabrook Series boats come in exclusive Honda color combinations, and they're loaded with great features like high-quality Honda-branded upholstery, a Garmin Fusion stereo system, a rear swim platform with ladder, plus ample storage, cup holders, fishing rod holders, and much more. Honda makes it easy to shop for your boat online whenever you have the time. We've brought our highly successful build and price method of automotive shopping to the boating industry. Simply choose the model and features package that's right for you, view your boat, and add options with the touch of a button. All on a clear, user-friendly website that includes available financing and dealer delivery. Designed for low-cost ownership, Seabrook Series boats offer superior fuel efficiency and a practical size for garage storage and convenient towing with a V6 SUV or minivan. Plus, you get the peace of mind protection of a 3-year bow-to-stern limited warranty, 10-year limited structural hull warranty, and Honda's True 5 5-year limited engine warranty. The Seabrook Series makes it easy to enjoy the best of times on the water. Honda Seabrook Series boats. Don't just go boating, go Honda.